Welcome to the new Vibrant online ordering experience. You asked, and we delivered a faster, sleeker, and secure ordering system. We will be going through how to place an online order for a patient. This is the homepage you will see after logging in. From here, you will want to select Order Test. By typing the patient's name, you can easily select a patient that you previously built a profile for. Or if this is a new patient, your search will generate no results found. For this example, we will show you how to add a new patient. This is where you will type the demographic information for your patient. Please note, anything with an asterisk is required before moving on. You will need to enter the address, including country, if the lab test will be shipped directly to the patient, or the patient is located internationally. You can either enter the address now or later during the checkout process. You will want to double check all of the information you entered is accurate. Once you've done that, you can select Add Patient. We are now at our test selection and ordering page. Favorites, formerly known as custom panels, is where you can add your frequently used bundles or tests to provide a more streamlined ordering experience. To add a favorite, you will click Create Shortcut. You will begin by selecting the test you're wanting to include, and then name your shortcut bundle here. Then you can select Create Bundle. If you're needing to edit, you can click here, or if you're wanting to delete your shortcut, you would click here and then confirm. To see the entire Vibrant menu, you will want to go to this section labeled Ordered Test. This is where you will see the Vibrant America Test, Vibrant Wellness Test, and then discount panels we offer. You can search for the test using the search toolbar located here, or using the options below. For Vibrant America Test, you can use the caret on the right to identify and even individually select certain markers within a panel. If you would like to order the complete panel, you would click the box to the left. For the metabolic panels, you can select here to get a quick glance at what markers are included. The test below, including the micronutrient test, can be ordered as a complete panel or by individual markers. The Vibrant Wellness tab includes a variety of wellness tests like our food zoomers. When looking at the wheat zoomer test and hovering over the information symbol, you can see specific information to that test. First is the blue hyperlink to our Vibrant Wellness website, including additional helpful information for that specific test. Next to the link is a quick glance at the price of the test. Next, you will see all the biomarkers included in that specific test, as well as the sample type and if phlebotomy will be required. We also include the average processing and shipping time for that specific test. For Aaron, we're going to go ahead and include ourselves with some of our tests. Notice as I select each test, it generates specimen information on the right under the delivery method. There now are a few ways to view our bundle options. One being our most popular tab, our discount panels. These are bundled tests for special pricing. As you click on the tags, it will automatically default to popular test under that category. In addition to the discount panel tab, we've made it easier by automatically bundling our test as you select the test within the Vibrant Wellness tab. So you know you're getting the best bundled price for you and your patient like this. If we want to do multiple Zoomers, you can see now over here on the right, the price changes as you add bundles. As well as if we were looking for total tox, you click mycotoxins and you now know you're getting the best price for that combination. We're also going to go ahead and add the gut zoomer test. This is now the order summary. Please review the test and the price to make sure everything is accurate. When a blood kit is ordered, you'll have to determine if the blood draw will occur in office or if we need to drop ship a kit to the patient. All non-blood kits will automatically be shipped to your patient. Moving on to the payment method, there are 3 options. Patient Pay Now credit card, Patient Pay Later email or text instructions to the patient. Please note that you can select either email, text, or both if you prefer. Make sure to verify the preferred communication method is selected here. We're going to use the 3rd option, which is provider office bill card on file. Once you've determined the information you've entered is accurate, you can save as a draft so you can prepare an order, or if you're ready to proceed, select checkout. Notice, before we can move forward, we need to enter the patient's address because it was not completed previously, and we will be shipping directly to the patient. We can now proceed to checkout. If you are interested in a DBS kit, please reach out to your territory sales manager as they can provide you with the current test available for that collection method. For now, we're going to ship these kits out to the patient, and then these kits will be provided by the office. Notice we do have an option to add a quick short note or even reminder to the patient. Under the payment method, you will need to add or confirm the card on file. We've also created a feature to allow multiple cards on file where you can easily select your preferred card for that transaction. Once that is complete and you've verified the page is accurate, you can do complete payment here. Your order has been submitted. This is the confirmation number and access to the requisition document. If the test is being directly sent to the patient, they will receive a copy of the requisition form in their kit. However, this is a place where you can share, download, or print the requisition form in its entirety or by section. If you will be completing the blood draw in office for the patient, the requisition form will need to be included when you send the sample to our lab. In addition to the resources below, we are happy to help with any questions. Talk to your territory or regional sales manager to schedule a demo call. Thank you for watching How to Place an Online Order through the Vibrant America portal.